All right, we got to get some footage of Casey slipping there. She's trying to go for a swim. Caleb. Caleb's gonna fall in too. Where? Sweet. You caught something. If you're gonna go swimming, Caleb, at least take your boots off. Where's your line? You kind of want to go that way a little bit more. Looks like you caught a grenade. Reel it in.
Oh, that's a
They
beauty.
stole it.
Got a grenade.
What?
He caught a grenade. You better throw it back before it explodes. It's a walnut. I'm gonna wait for him to fall in. I want to get it on camera. He's like, what was that? She cast it into that tree. Oh, you're stuck. You're done. Right where I told you, right out there. Yeah, try to catch the grenade again. What made you cast it over there? I was literally taking a step to come over to put another worm on there that you asked me to. And next thing I know, you're flinging it into the stick. I know, but you needed a second worm. Got a little guy. Yeah, you probably got it stuck really good. Looks like we lost the whole setup. Got another one. Another little guy. Holy cow. Oh. Okay. Plopped right off. Casey's got the biggest one so far. They stole that top worm from you a long time ago. Not bad, Case. Not bad. All right, throw it back. Ah, there was a fish on there. Casey got a bass. Look at that thing. Nice catch. Whoa. All right, you have to grab it by its lip. Come on, pull it up. Grab it by its lip quickly before it shakes off. It won't bite you. Its lip. That is a nice bass, Case. And you have her tight. There you go. Wow. Let it go. Hold that beast up.
Woo!
Is the camera on it?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow. Let me see this. Hold on. Let it go. Nice, Casey.
Go ahead, you can put him in.
Whoa!
What are you thinking?
Wow! Good job. All right, how's your worm look? Oh, you still barely even touched it. Yeah, maybe redress that top one. So he went on the top one, huh?
Yeah.
Good catch. Did you see that? All right, Caleb. You're gonna go right to this rock right here. It's super slippery, so walk in the valley. I want to give Caleb the first. Caleb hasn't caught anything yet, so you're going to go down to that rock right down there. You're going to cast in this hole in here, okay? There's 2 fish, so walk down over there. Wow. Make it hit that rock and fall into the water. You just threw it over the rock. He snagged out of the water. That's how easy it is. That's a flathead. Oh my word. He swallowed that bad boy.
No, it's actually banging. Whoa!
That's a flathead. Why didn't you tell me you caught one? I would have got it on camera.
There you go. He just wanted out of there.
Okay.
Okay.
That was a big guy.
Like, totally.
Did it pull a lot?
No, not really. I thought it was a snag at first, but then he just kind of, yeah.
Wow. You still stuck? He's stuck closer now. He got it unstuck.
Reel it in.
He caught a stick. I want to see what you caught. All that was for a stick. All right, this is the third cast. Oh! It went so far it couldn't even hit the water. You have to put the bailer over, Caleb. If you put the bailer over, the line won't go out. Oh, for it. Wait. Nope. Oh, Casey's got one. Let's see what it is. It's a... Oh, it's a good size. Oh, Casey. Oh. Okay, it's a little catty. It's a little catty. Oh, look at this. I got one way out there. Yours is a good sized one. Look at this. I have a little bait stealer. And he can't. All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
All right, here. Cast mine. I'll put a bigger worm on yours.
Thank you.
Did you get one, Caleb? Not a fish. Not a fish. I mean a cast. Did you get a cast, Casey? Oh! 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 Nice! Whoa! That's a... No. Is it a bass? That might be a walleye. Stop. That might be a walleye. That's a walleye. Yep. Do not grab that by its
like
teeth.
barely hanging out. It's like barely hanging.
Holy cow, Case. All right. Holy cow. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Do not grab him by his teeth.
Yeah.
You caught a walleye, Casey.
Whoa.
I have not caught a walleye in years. Here.
I don't have to hold it up.
I just want you to here, give me the rod. So one time I grabbed one like this, thinking it was a bass. Those teeth, those suckers.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I saw him.
You see them?
Yeah.
Right.
Ow.
Ow!
The top of his
He's right here. He's going the wrong way.
Right way.
Here, take your rod. Your rod's ready. He's right here. He went up. That, you caught a walleye, Case. You caught a flathead, a catty, a bass, and a walleye. Wow. Caleb, he did it again. He's on number 8. 8 casts in a row.
Yeah, I actually did it.
He did it. Hallelujah. At that point, he would just take whatever he got as long as it went out. That's impressive, Case. You were bringing it in. He just saw it and then hopped on, right? He was barely on too. It's very, very rare for a worm. I don't think I've ever caught a walleye on a worm. Nope. Yeah. Yep, we're all out of worms. He's what? He's praying for one. Okay. Oh, there it is again. I'm going to call Caleb the cast master. Perfect. Just work on your casting. That's all you can do. Can't believe you caught a walleye. That's nice. It's a catty. Wait, you still have them? Oh, yeah. Okay, that's not a bad one. Caleb has line coming out of 3 spots of his rod. He has line coming out. He probably caught another person's line, for all we know. Okay, pretty good, Case. I want you to give this one a little kiss. You chickened out. Boop.
Done? Last fish? You said last fish was winner.
I got a big,
Still somewhere?
yeah, you still got a little something on there. Throw it out, see what you got. All right, next fish wins.
You said that last time. And I got it. Come on. I got another one.
Nuh-uh,
I told you.
nuh-uh.
Come
Stop it. What in the world?
on. I win.
It's the same fish.
No, it's not the same type of
All right, give that one a kiss then. She's like, nah. I'm gonna try Casey's spot right there.
Better not say next fish wins.
All right, next fish wins.
No. If I catch it
Oh
three
my
times,
word, look at Caleb.
I am the champ.
Come here, Caleb. Take my rod, I'll fix yours. Caleb. Boom. The problem is that the flux capacitor was rubbing up against the baler.
Flux capacitor?
Yep.
I don't think that's...
The fishing capacitor. Are you snagged? Where are you snagged at? Oh, that's the bad spot.
Oh, you broke it.
No, you broke it. Here, I'll hold your rod.